welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. And I'm here with the lovely, friendly vegan Becky Entwistle, and Becky is here to show us how to make a really cool vegan recipe that you make a lot. Yes?
Mediterranean sausage casserole. It goes all in one pan, and then you just heat it up and serve with some greens if you fancy on the side.
It's a one pot dish. We love at the Batch Lady a one pot dish. Okay, so whether you're vegan, whether you want to go vegan, whether you just want a meat free night, if you're looking for a vegetarian meal, because this would be classed as vegetarian as well, then this is a good recipe to give it a go. So we are using, what are we using today? We're using, and what's the substitute?
This is a substitute, Linda McCartney sausages. They're suitable for vegans and they cook in the oven in 14 minutes, super fast. And then when we've cooked them, we're just chopping them up and throwing them in the casserole.
They look like this, and you can actually just cook them in the little tray that they come with. Okay, so to start this recipe off, if you are looking for any of the actual ingredients in terms of the quantities, then look on my website, www.batchlady.com, because we are in true Batch Lady style. We are doubling up, aren't we?
Yes.
So we've started in a pan, and we've got some, Becky's got some
boiled onions and a bit of garlic going in there.
So we're using our frozen chopped onions, and we're using our frozen chopped garlic, and that's going in a big sort of deep frying pan, okay? Or a big pan if you've got it. We've taken some baby new potatoes, and I'll just show you here. We're actually just boiling them away. So we've chopped them into bite-sized chunks, washed them and chopped them, and I've started these boiling already. So what's next then, Becky?
We're going to fry the mushrooms up in the onions as well, just to give them, soften them up a little bit. And then we're going to literally throw everything else in the pan and just let it simmer.
Everything else gets thrown in. So, well, I'm giving this a start. You're chopping up the sausages.
Yep.
Becky, tell us, what do you do? So, how does Friendly Vegan work?
I would talk to you about what your lifestyle is, what kind of foods you like to eat, whether you like to eat out a lot, and try and help you veganize your family recipes, and so you can feed friends or family when they come round. If you've got an awkward child who doesn't want to eat the same as everyone else, then this helps out.
Perfect. So if you have any vegan questions, look on Instagram, look for the Friendly Vegan. Becky is the one that you want to speak to. She's taught me tons about how to cook vegan food.
So these are cherry tomatoes in tomato sauce and some passata. I'm just going to put them in.
Perfect. I didn't actually know you got cherry tomatoes in a can, so there you go. We got them out of Tesco, you do. We're also going to put some olives in. We've used this already. We're going to put some herbs in. You can add some salt and pepper if you're cooking for younger children. You don't need to worry. I'm going to drain off the potatoes. They're already boiled now, so bear with us. How's it looking, Becky?
It's looking good. I'm just going to put those straight in if you want.
So potatoes now, new potatoes ready to go in. So this is a fantastic one pot dish. I absolutely love one pot dish. Now we're looking for the sausages. They actually, do you know, I've never usually used any substitutes for meat. Wow, this is making a lot.
Yeah.
Isn't it? But they smell good. So they've obviously put lots of herbs and lots of other spices and things in.
Flavoured it the same way.
Yeah, perfect. Do you want your flavouring?
Yes, please.
And lastly, you can then put some olives in.
Yeah, black olives.
Black olives, okay, so I just got a jar of black olives. These are, it's a Mediterranean dish. This makes it very Mediterranean. You could leave it out if people don't like olives.
Yeah, or use something else.
Or use something else. We're not a massive fan of olives in our family. I love them, but the children don't, so I probably substitute it for peppers.
Yes, and there's capers in the recipe as well. Again, if you don't like them, don't put them in.
Yeah, so you can put capers in at the end, which are still in my fridge. I can get the capers out. So let me bring it over and let you see. Oh, you come over here and we'll add the olives to it. And we're going to let you see what this dish looks like. Now, woo! We've got an escapee! It's off. It's lost its doggy food now. Now this is just water coming out of this because I washed these olives. So this is still going to cook. It needs a bit more cooking,
yes, it needs
does
a bit
it?
more cooking, just a few more minutes to make sure everything's heated through, and then when you would serve it, you would put some spinach leaves in and let them wilt down, and add the capers if you want as well, and then I would steam some greens on the side because your potatoes and sausages are in there.
Yeah, so greens on the side, your whole pot is already here. we are going to let this simmer for a bit more so it thickens up, but really if you think about it, your potatoes are already cooked, your sausages are already cooked, so it's just letting it all sort of marinate together and the flavours to come out. Then we're going to let it cool, we're going to put it into bags, which we're going to show you just at the end. We're going to put it into bags and lay it flat, put it in the freezer. And then when you take it out, we're just defrosting it as normal.
Yeah, and just reheating the pan.
And reheating it. So these meat substitutes can be basically done the same as meat.
Yes.
Yeah? Perfect. Here it comes. Wait till you see. I can't tell you how good it smells. We're so having this for our lunch. Oh, look at that. Hi guys. Okay, so we are just bagging up. Becky has started here. We're just bagging up our lovely sausage casserole that looks absolutely delicious. You'll see that some has gone missing because we have just had it for some lunch. It was good.
Very good.
So I just want to talk to you about bagging up. Okay, so we are just going to half this portion because we doubled the portion. We're going to put it in the bag just like this. I'm going to give you that one.
Okay.
And you just want to make sure that no matter what, you label it vegan. Okay, especially if you're all a vegan household, it doesn't matter, but if you are doing it for certain people in your household and other ones if you eat meat, then make sure that you label it vegan, okay? And you just want to make sure you lay it flat, take all the air out it, you can just, you are going to freeze it just like this, and when you bring it out, we're just going to defrost it and then reheat it just in a pan.
Yeah.
Okay, reheat and serve, okay? That's how easy it is. Thank you for watching The Batch Lady and Friendly Vegan. Bye!